We found one of the youngest billionaires in the world.
How young is he?
We found him in Rayagada, India.
Wow.
This is Ritesh. He is 27 years old.
Before we move forward, Ritesh became a billionaire in just 3 steps. But since step number 3 is very hard to achieve for regular people, I have added 2 more steps for people like you to be able to make $500 plus per day from the comfort of your home. Start with step number 1.
So how did he become a billionaire? Well, he took the biggest risk of his life.
Taking risk is the part of this step that you don't have to.
He went to an empty hotel, took over it, changed the beds, the rooms, the service, and named it Oyo Hotel. And that upgrade made the hotel go from empty to full at age 22.
So he found and renovated hotels. And in step number 2, he rent them out. Before we go to the hard part, step number 4 is for you. And it's completely online. And you don't have to take rent.
He had 500 hotels at age 24. He raised $1 billion, and at age 26, he had over 43,000 hotels and built the second largest hotel chain.
Step number 3 is scaling to 43,000 hotels. Quite impossible for regular people like you and me. However, instead, you can go to Google, look for booking.com affiliate, go to this site and register as an affiliate, get your unique affiliate link, and in step number 5, send visitors to your affiliate link. Every time someone books a hotel or any travel service, you will earn commission. However, the problem is, in the whole website, I did not find how much commissions they pay. And that's why we don't do this. What we do is something called high-ticket affiliate marketing. So we make simple, valuable, and useful short videos and publish them on social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These websites send our visitors or viewers to an automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf, and we earn passive $500 plus in affiliate commissions when there is a sale. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.